excited. It's an honor that you are going to be the first ones to preview our very new theme park here before the public gets to see it tomorrow. The first Sesame Place opened 42 years ago, and we're really thrilled to be the second Sesame Place and the first Sesame Place here on the West Coast. It's going to be a must-see destination for everyone who comes to San Diego. We have 18 Sesame Street themed rides. We have 11 water rides. We have 7 dry rides. We have a family carousel, family roller coaster, and much, much more. They're all spread throughout the park, and you're really going to enjoy them. And our favorite furry friends will be the highlight of our park for the little ones. And for those of us who grew up with Sesame Street, it will be a highlight as well. From the moment you walk in, the feeling of Sesame Street will surround you as you enter the neighborhood and see the iconic 1-2-3 scoop we're all familiar with. And we have meet and greets every day with a selection of our favorite characters. We also have a brand new stage show that's never been seen before, debuting here, and you'll all have a chance to see that today. Plus, we have the award-winning parade with our Sesame characters, engaging performers, high energy, and you're going to get to see that today too. We truly have something for everyone of all ages here at Sesame Place. Thank you again for being here today, and I hope you have a wonderful time during your visit. And at this time, I'd like to turn it over to a very special guest, Marc Swanson, our CEO of SeaWorld Parks and Entertainment.
Thanks, everybody. Thanks, Jim. Thanks to all the community members, our team, all the folks from media that are here today. It's an exciting day to be able to open a new park. I know, for me personally, I actually worked earlier in my career at the other Sesame Place outside of Philadelphia. So this is very special for me to be here, to be with all of you. I saw my kids grow up and get to go to a park just like this, and how much fun they had. So I'm really excited I could make it down here for this. I came in from Orlando where our headquarters are. And this new park is just part of a lot of great things going on across our country. We have 12 parks across the United States, and we're opening a number of new rides and attractions, including some of the most anticipated roller coasters in the country. But we're grateful for those, but we're really excited to have this new park for all of you to enjoy. And one of the things I think about is there's a character on the show, Sesame Street, called Gordon. He's one of the original residents. And when asked to describe what is Sesame Street, he said the following: "You've never seen a street like Sesame Street before. Everything happens here. You're gonna love it." End quote. And I think that sums it up really well. You're gonna love this park. You're gonna have a great time here, your kids, your family, your friends. And we can't be more excited to be here today with you to share that. And I want to thank Sesame Workshop for their partnership of over 40 years with us. And with that, I want to introduce Ed Wells, who's their Executive Vice President of Media and Education at Sesame Workshop. So Ed?
Morning. Good morning. So I'm so excited to be here today. This moment feels like it has been 40 years in the making. Since the first Sesame Place opened in 1980, it has been an unbelievable way and one of the best ways for kids and families to experience the Sesame brand and their favorite characters up close and in person. So today, we are so thrilled to be continuing to expand our partnership with SeaWorld Parks and Entertainment as we open the new Sesame Place San Diego. And it will be, as you've already heard, the first theme park in the West Coast dedicated specifically and only to the Sesame brand. We're so excited about it. So today, while you're here, I encourage you, go explore, celebrate, play, and have a ton of fun. You're definitely going to want to check out the Sesame Street neighborhood, which features an unbelievable replica of the world's most famous street, and it includes the 1-2-3 stoop. I think everyone will want to visit that. Also, check out and enjoy all of the whirling rides and the splashy slides all around the park, and really enjoy that this park was designed to be completely immersive and interactive for the entire family. So kids, parents, family members, friends, everyone has something to enjoy here. Take your time, enjoy it, find all of those interactive elements and have a great time. We really encourage you, go, enjoy, have a great time. Welcome to Sesame Place.